It's an overcast, rainy kind of day, but I figured, why not go down the boulevard, see what's going on. Let's check on some construction sites, and specifically this tower that's up ahead, and let's see how far along they are. Like they're currently at 26 floors on this tower. Let's get a closer look at the Boulevard building. Looks like they named the parking lot Dolphin parking lot. This was where the Dolphin Hotel was. That's the tower back there, but here is what's called the Boulevard building. It's going to have several tenants, anywhere from retail to restaurants. One of the main ones is going to be up on the roof here, called Tin Roof. It's going to be a music venue, bar, restaurant. You can see the facade is starting to take shape. It'll be nice once it's open. You can visit Pier 14, get your pier shenanigans on, and then turn around and visit the Boulevard building. Oh, here's something I did not know, but now we know. Bandito's Cantina, BurgerFi, and Starbucks. After thinking about this for a moment, do you think this is a homage or simply salt in the wound for those who remember the Dolphin Hotel? Comment down below. Let me know what you think about naming this parking lot the Dolphin after tearing down the iconic hotel.